What's up, guys? We're back with another banger video. So right here we have a 5-inch shell in flour, enriched unbleached flour. And we taped it up so the flour can, when it explodes, it's going to be in contact with the flour more, which means the flour will be more aerosolized and ignite and make a big fireball. We're going to shut these eventually. Not like that, like this, and the fuse will stick out. We're going to take the top up and we're going to light it, and it's going to go big boom for the 155th subscriber party. Yeah, that's going to be an awesome party. I'm going to put like some debris in there. Awesome. I'm going to get some other stuff. Let's see, what do we got? What do we got? Ooh. Let's put some of these in there. That seems pretty good. Let's get the enriched unbleached flour. And we're going to take it and we're going to go like that. And I'll show you guys some new fireworks we got. We got another one of the red 5-inchers, 7 Ruthless fireworks by that company. We got another Ruthless fireworks. Let me see. The Shiki Willows, Japanese willows, and they all have different combinations. So one is like a purple crown or a broad crown with purple stripes or superstars. And one's like green. Pretty awesome. So yeah, that's the making of it. That's cool.